Miss Santos notices that one of her kindergarten students seated beside his classmates struggles to share toys during group activities and often engages in parallel play instead. Which stage of social development is this student most likely in, according to Parton's theory of play? Would this be letter A, cooperative play, letter B, associative play, letter C, parallel play, or letter D, solitary play? And of course, yung pack na choice here is letter C. Andyan na, di ba? Ito na. Okay, engages in parallel play. So, unang-una, unoccupied. Yung unoccupied, no? Wala siyang ginagawa talagang play. Okay, so nagmamasid lamang siya, nagmumuni-muni, wala naman siyang tinitingnan ibang batang naglalaro. No? So, tinitingnan lamang niya yung mga paru-paro sa window. No? Solitary, mag-isa, di ba? Parang ikaw mag-isa, ouch. Okay? Mula nung iniwan ka niya. Onlooker, ito, yung pinagkaiba po ng unoccupied sa onlooker, no? Onlooker naman po, nakatingin siya sa isang bata na naglalaro. Then of course, you have parallel play. Ito po yung ating hinahanap kanina, magkatabi, pero walang pakilamanan. Associative play naman, meron na kayong communication, no? So you already share toys. The better kind of play is cooperative, no? Especially if we are talking about team play.